from here, anywhere you want to start. We're gonna do here. Look, we're gonna do in this one. Okay, we're gonna insert the hook, grab this one, tighten it, and we're gonna chain 1 to make it tight. Okay, chain 1. So we're gonna chain 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we're gonna do like this. We're gonna make it 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull up the loop, then chain 1. Now see, we made 1 already. Okay, chain 1. So what you're gonna do again? Okay, so we're gonna do in the next one. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull up the loop until there. See? Then chain 1. I'll do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make 5 for this one. Yarn over, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through, single crochet. You need 1 more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Chain 1. Okay, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then turn. You just need to pull this one to tighten it. And then turn your work. And then slip knot. Okay, then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then come to here next. Oh, hold on, yarn over and do the double crochet. 1, 2. Okay, and then chain 2. 1, 2, and then slip stitch here. I got stuck. Okay, so we do again, yarn over and do double crochet. 1, 2, then chain to 1, 2, then slip stitch in this one. This is the 1, 2, 3, slip stitch here, this side. Okay, just like that, continue until we finish. Yarn over, stitch, yarn over, make double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch to the third stitch. Repeat. And then from here, we're gonna slip stitch to here. Chain 1, fasten, and that's how we do it. Okay? See, I have one here. This one you need to cut it. Now you have one flower tulips like that. We're gonna continue until we finish here, right? Okay, that's one. Okay, maybe I'm gonna show you one more time. Already 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 1. repeat. 1, 2. Double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, okay, the last one you need to do there, so you just need to slip stitch here. There you go. That's it. You just need to trim the thing. Did 2, then I'm gonna meet you when you finish all the thing. Okay.